Welcome to the TIS Elementary School. I'm Christy Carlson and I teach 3rd grade at Tianjin International School. Each day, our students take part in many exciting and life-changing learning experiences. By engaging in both teacher-directed and student-directed activities, our curriculum focuses on core content areas that develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills. One of my favorite parts of the TIS Elementary curriculum is Daily 5. Daily 5 is a program that focuses on intentional instruction with extended periods of practice in order to increase reading and writing achievement. This program gives the students choices within parameters where teachers monitor student growth and progress. It's amazing to see our students grow in and be proud of their English reading and writing skills. At TIS, we believe that co-curricular activities are an important part of education that extends beyond the classroom. Co-curricular activities provide motivation for learning, character building, physical growth, and creativity while developing confidence and educating the whole child. There's many different clubs and specials that students are encouraged to participate in, such as library, robotics, sports, music, and many others. With opportunities provided in and out of the classroom, our goal is to help students become well-rounded people that can make a difference in the world around them. We love building lifelong qualities every day in the TIS Elementary.